So second tool, again, as I told you already, we are going to integrate your Google Classroom with the Jamboard. Jamboard is a Google application, free application, where you can the whiteboard features, what we have studied earlier, the first tool, that features also possible with the help of Jamboard. But the more advantage is it can be integrated with your Google Classroom. That is advantage of Jamboard. So you can find the Jamboard in your Google accounts here, and you can straight away go for the Jamboard, and you can create your own question, and you can import it to the students' Google Classroom. So I will explain how we are going to create that. Okay. So for that, I have to go for the Google account. So this is, as I already logged in using my Google account, it is already signed in. So I can directly go to the Jamboard. So here you can find the Jamboard. Click it on the Jamboard. Okay. So how to create a new Jamboard? So I am going to create a new one. So maybe what we have seen already, that you can, this is like a whiteboard. Okay, you can write it on, and you can post it to the students, and you can bring your images, all this, you can type your text. These are some features available with the Jamboard. So now I am going to give a assignment to the students with the help of Jamboard. So for that, so just follow. I will tell you. So I have clicked a new Jamboard. Once entering the Jamboard, I have clicked new. This icon is for new Jamboard. So click the new Jamboard. So you will be getting a new Jamboard open. So it will be untitled. So you can title it now. So I am titling it as RIT. Okay, so now it is named as RIT. I am going to give an assignment to the students, an image-based assignment. So the student has to so this is an image-based assignment. Student has to label the parts of an engine. Okay, so this is the assignment I am going to give the students. So you can give the instruction to the students and label the parts of an engine shown in figure. Okay. For that I am using the sticky note. So this is the option. This option is called sticky note. Okay, this option is called, this is for texting, and this is for adding image, and this is for sticky note. And these things are pen, and other things are writings you can do. So this is the sticky note I am using. So this is the image. Okay, so I can share. You can share this to anyone with the link, or you can share with the people who have you have the contacts. Okay, so this is how I have created a picture assignment. Now I am going for the Google Classroom. So this is my Google Classroom. I have created a Google Classroom for this FTP. So here, as I already have two, and we have so many participants right now. So now I am going to post this assignment to the students. So I am going to create an assignment. So in those assignment, so testing Jamboard assignment. Testing Jamboard assignment. So draw, label the parts, the engine, and submit. Like that, I am giving an assignment to the students and adding the. You can if you have the link of the recently developed file, you can click, or the recent files will be shown here. So this is a recent Jam I have created RIT as I named it RIT. I easily understand. This is the new Jam I have created and I inserted that. And more importantly, you have to give the permission to the student to do the modification in the file. So if nothing is clicked, the students can only view the file. They cannot do anything. If they can edit, they can edit the file. You have to keep this. And I'm marking make a copy for each student because each student's responses will be different. So that I'm making a copy for each student. This option I'm keeping. Okay, and I am submitting for assignment. So now all the students will be receiving their assignment. They can just click on the assignment. It will take them to the Jamboard of the, if they have to log in with the Google credentials, it will take them to the Jamboard, so they can do the assignment and they can submit. So I will, let me see how it is going to be work here. Okay. So as from different browser, I'm going to access those assignments. Okay. So I'm going for Google Classroom with the different credentials. So this is the Google Classroom. So I am logging with the different some of you might have received the assignment. You can check it with your Google Classroom. So this is one of the user of that classroom. So I'm going to see whether the assignment is received or not. Here I received the assignment. So I can click here. It will take me to the assignment. So this is on Jamboard assignment. So this Jamboard is shown here. I'm clicking here. It will take me to the Jamboard. And here I am going to answer for this question. So let me quickly inlet valve. Okay. And this is for outlet valve, for the exhaust valve. Okay. And this one is piston. I'm not going to answer for all those things, just for demonstration. I'm going to answer those things. Okay. So that's all. It will be automatically saved. It will be automatically saved. You can answer and then you can turn it for submission. You can turn it. These features and all you might have already aware because many of you are using the Google Classrooms. So it is already I have do the changes and the submitted. Okay. So I can go for the assignments and I can grade them. Okay. So this is submitted by me. The other user, you can see that. Okay, so this is what the answers marked by me. So I can put mark accordingly. Okay, so I'm just putting 100 out of 10 and I am returning it to the students. Okay, so this is how Jamboard can be integrated with your Google Classroom. You can, this is being a mechanical person, I have put as an example. If you are having circuit branches, you can post circuits and you make them to debug or make them to fill. You can make some wrongs in that circuit and make them to correct. Those type of assignments can be given to the students. Okay, so that is the use of this tool. So that is the use of this tool, Jamboard. It can be integrated with the Google Classroom. So If any of you submitted, we can go to that. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. So some of the teachers submitted their assignment. Just by clicking that, it will take us to the assignment, and you can open that, and whatever the answers they mark, you can see from the Jamboard, and you can mark accordingly. Okay. So this is how the Jamboard is working, but the answers is not marked here. So let me see if any other answers are received. Okay. So this is Murali Krishnan sir. Okay. So this is also not marked. Okay. The answers has to be marked in the exam board. They have to open the exam board, and they have to mark. Okay. So hope you understand what the application of the exam board. So that is about the exam board integration with the Google Classroom. Okay. You can show. So you have to edit the exam and you have to resubmit it again. Okay. So let's see whether we received any responses in this Jamboard. Okay. So the answers are not marked. So it has to be like this. Okay. So you have to do the changes in the assignment. So like this. What are the tasks given by the faculty? Accordingly, you have to do the changes in the Jamboard. So you have to mark the answers. Okay, you have to mark the answers and turn it. Hope you understand. So since we are in the 1 hour session, we cannot do things. We are in a fast pace. So hope you will understand, and you can practice in the coming end hour. Okay. So that is on Google Jamboard, and then